Hey everyone, welcome to Heading Tags. In HTML, heading tags from H1 to H6. These titles are you want to display in your web page. The heading tags are like important headings to making main headings, subheadings in this way. See, these many types of heading tags are available in HTML. So according to the number H1, H2, H3, 4, 5, 6, the length and size of the headings will be differentiated. So let's see in a real example. Welcome here. Go to HTML page and inside the body you have to write a simple HTML head tag. So here I am creating the latest and important headings. Let's see. Take a less than and H1. See, all the code editor will help you to showing you the H1, H2 tag, H3, H4, H5, H6. So the beginning I'm choosing H1. So in between the tag, open and closing tag, in between I'm writing something. An example, I'm preparing heading. So accordingly you write as your wish to convey the message in a heading, subheadings or any minor headings this way. Wherever the heading, which font and like the size of the heading is required, you apply the H1 or H2 accordingly, like up to H6. So let's see, when I'm writing H1, save it and go to browser, open in browser, and let's see, this is H1 tag. Whenever you are reading something, you may see here. So similarly, we'll see like a H2. And put a tab, heading tag 2. Save it and open a browser and reload the page, like a refresh or Control R. See, refreshing. See, this one is heading 2. See the differences between H1 and H2. Automatically, the HTML will understand what is the length and what is the size it should be represent based on the tag which we are applied. So let's see the following, like rest of the tags, like from H3 and H6. All you try very quickly. Leave over here and H4, heading 4, and H5. Just quickly look at it. Heading 5 and H6. So save it and open a browser and reload it. So how beauty it is. The H1 is the length, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. This way you can choose accordingly which information you are putting in your page, or making slots like information, like maybe it's a resume, profile, or product information. Product title always should be in a such a high level of the heading. So accordingly you may choose it, main heading or subline. Thank you. We'll catch you in next lecture.